work like fucking hard, bro. They work fucking hard. These are the springs. Heavy duty. So all the clutch plates are out already. And we will take the new ones out that have been soaking there for 1 hour, let's say.
So this is going to shot outside. Close.
So
all
those
this.
are the same, and this
Not
is
going here.
yeah.
All. This is closed.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. There's nothing in here left. This is just oil.
Because everything is from here, 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 but this is indifferent. Like here, here, not be the same. The close.
Yeah, now I get it. It's not so.
Yeah.
It's not so like crazy.
So now we put this one and this one. It's here.
Yeah.
I need to be here.
Yeah.
They can show like.
Yep.
Yeah, it's
going there.
So I put it like this one.
This clutch has seen some things.
Yeah, it's like scotch. But where is the? This is the new.
And the springs. Let's put this away before we kick it. So now we're gonna put the gasket on. There are these two holes, or these, fuck me, you know, this came here. These two guide pieces that are in the engine. They said no.
It's okay, man, it's okay.
Yeah, so then we're gonna use those guide pins and put it in place.
Yeah, like that.
Just like this. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. Yeah, it's looking good. Coming over here. Okay. Now it's already done. I'm gonna change the oil and start it up.
Now do we start the bus?
So now we are changing the oil here. So basically you take this nut out, which is located right there, and then you let it drain for a while, and most of the time you should get this gasket at the same time so you can change it, but I'm not sure what's going on with my one. It seems to be stuck.
Like I start now and
Okay.
I get like about 20 light, 30 light.
Now we have the washer after I fight with it for 30 minutes or so. From the drain plug, out from it, cleaned it up a little bit, looking new. And then you check there.
What do you need?
Clean up a little bit. Yeah, that's looking good. And then you should put a little bit of oil on here. Doesn't matter if it's old or new. Just a little bit. And then you put it back.